Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dean of Faculty of Industrial Technology, Mr. Hari Purnomo, Head of Industrial Engineering Department, Mr. Ridwan, Secretary of Industrial Engineering Department, Mr. Rakil, Head of Industrial Engineering Undergraduate Study Program, Mr. Taufik Imawan, Secretary of Industrial Engineering Undergraduate Study Program, Mrs. Sri Indrawati, Head of Postgraduate Program Magister Teknik Industri, Mr. Winda, my honorable colleagues, lecturers of Industrial Engineering Department, and also my lovely students, batch 2020. Welcome. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing, so we are able to join in this precious meeting. It is really my privilege and also my pleasure to welcome you here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ira Promasanti Rahmadewi. Currently, I'm accompanying international program industrial engineering students to seize opportunities to achieve their dreams. I'm also looking forward to learning with industrial engineering students, management information system, database management system, intelligent manufacturing system. Alhamdulillah, finally, you are here. It used to be a list of new students batch 2020, but today, I can see you directly even online. 22 students from all around Indonesia, 5 students from Yemen, and 8 exchange students from India, China, Malaysia, and Nigeria join International Program Industrial Engineering. Welcome to prestigious program, International Undergraduate Program of Department of Industrial Engineering, Universitas Islam Indonesia. Frankly speaking, you are in the right path in crafting your future to be internationally recognized by joining International Program Industrial Engineering. Getting into a college is only a half of the game. Another half, you require high degree of fighting spirit to overcome many obstacles for achieving your goals. I'm really proud of you. Amid pandemic, you are still willing to be admitted to International Program Industrial Engineering. It means you have courage coming into a place where you are directly challenged head-to-head to everybody around the globe. As we know, industrial engineering subjects are already difficult. However, you are willing to put more burden with extra effort by taking off your mother tongue, and for the entire academic activities, you urge yourself to express your ideas in international communication. But that's great. IP was established in 1999. Now, International Program Industrial Engineering is getting more recognition. International program maintains limited number of students to join. A class of maximum 25 students with lecturers from Industrial Engineering and Universitas Islam Indonesia, and also visiting lecturers from both Indonesia such as Gadjah Mada University, Institut Teknologi Bandung, Institut Teknologi Surabaya, and all other countries such as Malaysia, South Korea, Austria, and all activities will be delivered in international communication, especially in English language as language of instruction, and also some courses probably introduce Arabic. IP students are also engaged in multicultural environment. If you want to enhance your organization skills, International Program Industrial Engineering also has a student association called CIS, Community of International Program Students. Let's start to explore international program. Academic guidelines, including rule and regulations of Industrial Engineering Study Program, has been explained in great detail by Bu Indra. International Program Industrial Engineering also conforms the same academic guidelines. In this opportunity, I will highlight international program. Industrial Engineering assess you becoming a graduate with strong personal characters as akhlakul karimah, problem solver, and innovator. With Industrial Engineering International Program, 3 additional personal characters are put up. Agile, motivated, extraordinary, as complement to support you become the best version of you. International program emphasizes programs in global exposure, global engagement, and international mobility to build strong characters as self-confidence, creativity, innovative, problem solver. Organizations need people who can creatively approach problems and tasks across all business roles and focus on honing your ability to bring new ideas. Persuasion. It is also important to brush up on your ability to effectively communicate ideas and persuade your colleagues and stakeholders that it is in their best interest to follow your lead. The only constant in life and in business is change. To stand out in 2020, embrace that reality and make sure to show up with a positive attitude and open-minded professionalism, especially in stressful situations. Collaboration. High-function teams can accomplish more than any individual, and organizations know it. So, learn how your strengths can complement those of your colleagues to reach a common goal. High motivation and emotional intelligence. As we know, emotional intelligence is the ability to perceive, evaluate, to respond to your own emotions and the emotions of others. Due to the most in-demand skills in this year, the need of emotional intelligence underscores the importance of effectively responding and to interact with colleagues. Embodying these purposes, an international program students must engage at least one outbound international experience. And I think this pandemic provides such kind of blessing in disguise. International mobility becomes more extensive through online communication. And international activity grows both inbound and outbound looks encouraging. Currently, international program is carrying out some international cooperation and networking, more Valley global engagement programs, more international students, more visiting lecturers, and other international activities in this term ahead. This photo is one of memory when international program visited Japan for educational visit. We had a class discussing Industry 4.0 and several topics such as Internet of Things, Artificial Intelligence, and its implementation in Japan. This class was delivered by a professor from Tokyo University. These photos also tell a memory of international program students when visited Japan in November 2019. We visited several places, universities, such as Tokyo Institute of Technology and Tokyo University, and also company Haneda Chronogate, and beautiful places and heritage places. This is international programs expanding international networking. Those countries are the hosts of many international mobility programs. United Kingdom. International program, Industrial Engineering has collaboration to conduct double degree programs with University of Gloucestershire, both undergraduate and postgraduate as fast track. With Netherlands, International Program Industrial Engineering has joined activities with section. Double degree program expired in September 2020, but we still have student exchange and visiting lectures program. With Fontys University, we are going to have a student exchange program and visiting lectures. With Japan, Industrial Engineering International Program has joined activities in student exchange and visiting lecturers with Tokyo Institute of Technology and University of Tokyo, and internship supported by Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry. South Korea. International Program Industrial Engineering has collaboration activities with Hanyang and Wusong University for student exchange and visiting lectures. With Thailand, International Program Industrial Engineering engaged in student exchange program with Chulalongkorn University. 3 students from Industrial Engineering International Program on behalf of Industrial Engineering Study Program has just completed their student exchange last term, and now they have returned to Indonesia and ready to graduate. They are batch 2017 students. One of them, Putri, is getting involved in national student competition and published paper in reputable international journal. One of them, Naufal, is the head of Student Association CIS and alumni P2A program. Raja also alumni of Students Exchange in Passage to Asia. With Malaysia, International Program Industrial Engineering engaged in collaboration with UTEM, University Technical Malaysia Malacca, conducting student exchange, visiting lectures, joint research, joint publication. With UPM, University Putra Malaysia, we have activities, student exchange, and visiting lectures. With Taiwan, it is organized by Magister Teknik Industri with NTUST for double degree postgraduate program. Portugal, International Program Industrial Engineering just has joint activities in student exchange and visiting lectures. Inshallah, next term we are going to have visiting lectures from Portugal. Vietnam Industrial Engineering International Program just sets up internship program with the largest group of companies in Vietnam. These are activities regularly carried out. In academic, we have double degree, student exchange, credit transfer, joint research, joint publication, visiting lectures, and also internship, work part-time or full-time at the company for a specified period of time, usually 1 to 3 months, and community services, summer program. We are going to engage culture immersion program. International Program Industrial Engineering also provides competitive grants to keen and proactive students involving academic and non-academic, such as publication to several reputable national and international journals, national and international competition, international internship, and cultural immersion program. Let's take a look. International Program Industrial Engineering students can join double degree program with the University of Gloucestershire. There are two options. First, double degree undergraduate programs for Bachelor of Engineering, double degree postgraduate program for Master of Engineering, and this is fast track program. The first 2 years, international program students study at International Program Industrial Engineering Universitas Islam Indonesia. For double degree undergraduate program, you just have to pursue 2 years in UOG for Bachelor of Engineering. So totally, your study duration is 4 years. In 4 years, you are going to have Sarjana Teknik and Bachelor of Engineering. If you still want to pursue your study to postgraduate program, then you have to take additional 1 year for Master of Engineering. This is fast track program. It means in 5 years, you are going to have Sarjana Teknik, Bachelor of Engineering, and Master of Engineering. After graduation, you are eligible for working permit and you can directly apply to a job in the United Kingdom. Several IP students also work in Netherlands after accomplishing their study at Saxion University. Next, about fast track postgraduate program. You'll get more information from Mr. Winda as the head of Magister Teknik Industri. The idea almost similar to fast track international program and industrial engineering and double degree with UOG. It takes 5 years to complete your study to have master degree. The difference is that when you take double degree postgraduate Master of Engineering with UOG, you study in IP industrial engineering in 2 years. The rest 3 years you complete your study in UOG. First, completing your undergraduate for 2 years for your Bachelor of Engineering and another 1 year for Master of Engineering. However, if you take double degree postgraduate with fast track from Magister Teknologi Industri, there are two alternatives. First, just take fast track without double degree, Sarjana Teknik and Magister Teknik, or take fast track and double degree with NTUSD, Sarjana Teknik, Magister Teknik, and Master of Business Administration. Whatever the scenario you select, you have to complete all your undergraduate program at International Program Industrial Engineering Universitas Islam Indonesia, 4 years in Indonesia. In 7th semester, you have to apply to fast track. If you want to pursue double degree, then you apply to double degree with NTUSD. After graduation, International Program Industrial Engineering prepares career development programs for industrial engineering international program graduates. The programs are based on students' request. Entrepreneur program. IP will support to set up startup, collaborate with IP Smart. After graduation, for those who want to work directly, we offer internship program 1 to 3 months working at international companies. If you want to take fast track, just go to Magister Teknik Industri and apply. If you want to have working permit, it works if students take double degree with UOG or Saxion. We are going to collaborate with the university for placement. If you want to take study abroad, for those who want to pursue postgraduate other than fast track double degree program, then IP will support for placement such as IELTS training, how to write motivation letters. It is educational visit that is going to be conducted regularly every year, and this is when we had educational visit in Japan. The year 2020 will vastly accelerate adoption of e-commerce through delivery, digital contactless payment, video conferencing, autonomous vehicles, wearable health monitors, 3D manufacturing, voice mobile application, online learning, smart robotics. And now, these activities about international internship program. Currently, we have 7 students from International Program Industrial Engineering are getting involved in international internship program, collaborating with Australian students, working on projects dealing with the implementation of Internet of Things, mobile computing, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Started this September up until November 2020. So currently we have a student exchange class for sustainable manufacturing and big data courses. International Program Industrial Engineering is hosting several fully funded professional certification for International Program Industrial Engineering students. Enterprise Resource Planning certification, and then project management. The value of this certification is approximately 5 million rupiah per student. Because why? Behind every successful project, you'll find a highly skilled project manager, and all type organizations are going to deal with projects. It means project must be managed. Project managers keeps organization teams on task and productive. Almost any professional can benefit from adding a project management certification to their list of their certification, showing up you have the know-how to plan, schedule, budget, execute, deliver, and then report. This certification will add value and help you hone your skill. Supply chain management. It is a growing field and a satisfying profession, as a recent survey conducted by APIX found that 96% of those surveyed were highly satisfied with their career in SCM, with average rating 8.4 out of 10. The survey also found that it pays to get certified. SCM pros with at least one certification get paid on average 19% more than those who aren't certified, and those with 2 or 3 certifications earn salaries that are 39% and 50% higher than the median respectively. In addition, industrial engineering curriculum also emphasizes in supply chain management. Then, in challenging the high demand of SCM skills in business, then IP Industrial Engineering hosts a professional certification training in accredited supply chain analysts. The value of this certification is approximately 300 US dollars plus 850,000 rupiahs for training. And we know that you are a complex individual with a variety of passions, interests, and goals. Nothing, person or machine knows you better than you know yourself. Then IP offers on-demand certification and training triggered by students' requests based on their passions. However, terms and conditions apply. These are professional certifications that will be granted by international program students, and we expect that the certification can round out your resumes or curriculum vitae and give students a leg up against the competition. IP also conducts several programs such as bridging programs. This is for freshmen, English for academic purposes, business presentation, and ethics. They are going to learn and then get trained. Industrial Engineering International Program also provides competitive grants for international journal publication, competition, international internship, international educational visit, and also memorizing Quran Juz 30, and also mentoring. Untuk mahasiswa reguler yang ingin transfer ke program internasional masih diberi kesempatan, tetapi hanya sampai semester 3. Ya, jadi dari semester 1 atau transfer, semester 2 juga bisa transfer, semester 3 juga bisa transfer. Syaratnya mudah, hanya GPA dengan minimum 3, dengan English Proficiency Certificate seperti TOEFL, IELTS dan sebagainya. Untuk IELTS sekitar 5.5, dan ada tambahan tuition fee sebesar Rp7.500.000 ya. Dan ini hanya sampai semester 3. Dan apabila ingin transfer dapat langsung apply melalui website International Program ya. Okay, that's all about International Program Industrial Engineering. Don't forget to follow International Program Industrial Engineering Instagram and like, comment, and subscribe International Program YouTube channel. Then remember, you will never change your life if you don't change yourself first. Sesungguhnya Allah tidak akan mengubah nasib suatu kaum hingga mereka mengubah diri mereka sendiri. Allah never change condition of nations or people till they change what is in themselves. Waiting for you to make amazing works. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.